rally here. All the trucks.
Oh, mga truck drivers.
Yeah. See the building, neither one because it was all covered.
So look guys, tanawa mga old buildings there guys.
Mira and Jerry went with June.
But they didn't see nothing because it was all covered
Oh,
stuff.
naman they see.
No, they came afternoon. They didn't see the.
Nasi Franco. Oh. Search Franco.
And the last time here,
Yeah.
that I saw the change sister, that was long time ago. When Susan just came to Canada.
Dari ko para ma-appeal magkuha.
Mag-upa na abot si Susan ato.
Nasi sister.
Oh. Baligi at tuan ang na ikabaho ang Susan.
Grabe guys, grabe mga building dito pa mga paraan dito kayo.
Copper man na
We could show them where we went skating on.
Copper, yeah.
Yeah, they redid the top there, that one.
That's copper.
That's new because now it's a brown instead of green.
Green man nakadugay sa
Yeah. Ano ilang atop guys, mao na siya nahimong green kay tungod na sa copper. Paulanan, initan, so naging green siya na dugay. Yeah.
But the top one, that's all brand new.
That's yeah, the brown one. Yeah.
These are the things they put on the road.
And
if you drive over it, you get stuck, eh?
Yeah. It has a spike, oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, para way makasuot.
Yeah.
That's how they stop it.
Pwede magbinuan.
Gani.
Ha?
Ingon ni Carlos na kuan daw na tungod atong sa Vancouver gani. Itong hitabo.
Terrorist po.
Nice building though. It's a hotel.
Okay.
So, downtown.
Stay
Dari na lang ko tiyo. Pagkakaroon guys.
Go up there. We're thinking to go up there.
Yun na lang, okay na lang.
Because we can see the river.
Ah, okay.
Go down the alleyway, go to the river.
Sige daw, picturein ko te.
1800.
Old bicycle. Cyclist. Look at the statue. Even the Indians, they fought alongside. Carlos, the statue, look. They fought alongside the natives.
Yes.
Whites.
The natives were scouts.
Oh.
Anong bagpipe ba? Wala.
Yeah. Westin. There's a plaza here. Grabe ang mga buildings dari guys. Karaan. Oh. World War I, oh. It's a World War I. Alam mo sa likod. Cavalry. Naon ay. Sige, una lang mo tin. Yeah, una lang. Una lang. Likod mi na area. Tumi dito sa statue guys. Sa uha yung building nga yun eh.
You want a picture of that one to sit down there?
Grabe, karaan dyan kayo guys. Karaan dyan kayo na building. So po na yung nag-changing of the guards po dito sa Kwan guys, oh, sa monument na dito. So, dari mi ni ate. Picture sa aming ate. Wow. Wow. Ah, kadailan deh. Mga sila guys, mga pioneer sa Canada. An Indian, native Indian, white. So mix against the British. Lagi karaan.
Architecture
Na
na.
may tao. O kanon ta ako ba pa-picture ta ako diya sa may bintana. So guys, nami sa likod sa parliament no. Here there's a river. Ngailak dire. Makaagi ang mga boat or sido. So dire sa likod dara ang parliament guys. Under construction. Construct pa siya. Wait, I mean is gi-renovate. Gi-renovate. Dugay na kayo.
Oh no.
Nabalo mo guys, kanang flag din na sa parliament. Kanang flag. Nag-fly. Matod pa ni Carlos. Ginahatag nila na every 6 months sa mapilian nila na tao. So, matod pa niya. 25 years ang waiting line. Daghan na kayo nagulat. Dugay kayo.
Yeah. Kuan na tumba.
A lot of work. That's the
Yeah.
problem. You're gonna see a nice
Who's
view
that?
here.
Yeah. Wow. Skyline. Oh,
So that's the church, Melody.
which one?
Over there.
That one?
Yeah. I don't know if they're open.
Wow. We are here at the top. You can see the skyline. Hey, there's a soccer team. Soccer team, I think. So there's a bridge over there,
Walk over.
but it goes to Quebec.
Quebec.
But that portion is not Quebec yet.
No, the other side.
The other side.
This is Ottawa stuff.
So it's Ottawa. Kana guys, Ottawa. Then the bridge all the way to Quebec.
But we're lucky at the time it was closed.
So kana dili pa na siya Quebec. So mga to na yung nag-aagi na sido diri guys na ilak, pwede mo agi diri.
Had vehicles cross there.
So nindot kay guys.
Used to be a train there.
Bagkiruhan River akong kita guys. Oh, there's a stadium there, Carlos. Oh,
Where?
there. I think there's a stadium. Ah? Ipatsaka ko ni ate. Sabaan nga ni ko si ate, yun akong ingnon ba? So, parliament. Okay. Sa una daw guys, na yung mga stray cats diri na gina-feed nila. Pero karo, man may nakita. Nice kayo.
Non.
Oh.
Papa, tu seras à la retraite, hein?
Oh, you're French. You speak French. So guys, ito. Over there is the Quebec.
One way where you eat. I think that's the bridge. See that bridge over there? That's the bridge that we came from Quebec to come over here.
The other one.
Yeah, no, the other one, yes. We came across that other bridge. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, nasa kong front guys ah. Front, sa man eh. Tower sa Parliament. Sila ate. Dito kaya yung syudad. Yeah.
Yung mga boats, no?
May ganting boats.
You're starting to see some French words. See the French letters?
Yeah, palay.
Yeah.
Palais.
Palay. Palay.
Okay. Those, des,
They Congri? Yeah, Congri. Palay. Palay, guys. It's Palay. Who's
You can't
this?
even see his statue. His
Father of
statue's covered.
Confederation, Thomas.
Irish, I mean.
There's a bell.
It says Troy, New York.
Huh? From New York?
Yeah. It says on the bottom of the bell, 1875.
Oh, it's from New York. No, the bell. And the ruins of
from the old tower. Wow.
That's Sir John Macdonald, Prime Minister of Canada. So, namin diri karon sa gazebo, pahuway na si ate di sa sulod. Siya sa likod na ako. Sila dito, sulod na sulod. Where's ate? Sa punidirit eh. Ikaw nagtulay oy. Tulay guys. Likay mas manang, likay mas manang. Taxman. Revenue building.
American Embassy.
Yeah, it's protected.
They got many floors underneath. They have floors
Yeah, American
upstairs.
Embassy. Bomb-proof daw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nagkanugod silang contract with
O gani.
bonds and stuff. Kwarta sila. Pero, sobra na ba? Alam. O gani na nga.
They
He's just opening it to let the water out. That's
Yeah.
where the water drains, right there.
Oh yeah. It's a lock.
So I think the water from here goes into that one.
Yeah.
You see it?
They open there?
Yeah. So water's coming in here, and the water from here goes to the other one.
Yeah.
And here there's like 5 levels.
Yeah, 6 locks. Wow.
No, more, but there's one here.
Ah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. 9 locks. This river, guys, is River Rideau. Canal Rideau. So, natin na yung mga locks diri guys, kay para musulod ng mga boat din ha. Then, padung dito kay low level naman dito, compared diri sa likod. It's high level. So, gamitan og locks para makasaka o makanaog ang boat. Hi guys, ang Parliament Hill. Iyon na naman na si ate. Iyon na kayo na. This building guys is Senate. No? Wellington. Yeah, Senate of Canada. Senate building para to. Wellington. Dari ang mga senators nila guys. Dari sa ubos mga Rideau Canal. Gray pa ni ay. Mga hotel guys. It's a hotel. Fairmont Hotel. Yeah. It's a Fairmont Hotel. So, buildings. Nitamig teams. Ihi. Buo na kong jacket guys. Igang na ganyan, grabe katugnaw. Karon ni warm na, 25 degrees. Arang-arang na. So manabok mi guys sa tubig CF.
O nilang bus silo.
One. Guys. Kaloy na dito. Malapit niyo guys sa Mig Mall. Dito center. Yes guys. Sukas lang sa Manoy. Wala gitugnaw. Okay guys.
This is the subway.
Ah, okay. Subway. Sa Ludwig Mall. Yeah, wakas. We are here. Ngita na ni CR guys. Chipotle. O Gongcha. Nasa SM. And Starbucks. Tao na to, te. Tara, washroom, oh. Kami sa mall nila sa Ottawa, guys. Dito kami washroom, so straight kami. Ottawa Center. Moose Knuckles.
Yeah, the most difficult.
Simons. Rogers Center. Michael Heath.
Here.
Lacoste.
Here.
Yeah, there's Swatch. Victoria's Secret. LCBO, liquor store, mobile phone, event fee. Ini sa baba guys, freshly squeezed. Colorful guys, Manoy foot lock. Let's put there. What's up? Brewery Street Dining Hall. Baskin Robbins. Thanks.
Sa gawas mo ko sa mall.
Pero, oh.
Hindi
Warag,
mauna, may susunod.
ngay, kuan ba? Warag signage ba? Kasi,
Lahat to, sa gawas mo to. Inside the mall.
Brewery Street. Na po yung Best Buy. Ito mga computer, Best Buy. Miniso. Best Buy. Teams. And GameStop. Computer games. Na guys. PS5.